Hi, I'm Tinabeth Pina. Is 70 the new 50? The science behind why we're living longer. That's ahead on Science and You. Hi, I'm Tinabeth Pina. Can we control our life expectancy? Studies suggest that we are living longer and healthier lives, and advances in science and medicine may be a contributing factor.
On the one hand, one wants to maximize performance and productivity and quality of life at any age. And the other is that most people would like to live more years, and given that the quality was reasonable. And I think that clearly both are happening right now.
Recognized by the National Institute of Aging, neurologist Lawrence Honig is part of a team of researchers conducting studies on life expectancy and age-related diseases.
We found that people who have vascular risk factors, such as high blood pressure, high blood lipids. So these factors can all cause strokes, which then cause the brain to age more rapidly, if you will. Sometimes we then learn that if you have a particular variant, it may put you at a greater risk for one disease or another. So people who have what we call the E4 variant in either one or two copies have a greater risk for Alzheimer's disease over a certain portion of their lifespan. Increasingly, there are more and more gene variants being discovered that have more or less risk for different diseases.
Life expectancy in the U.S. has skyrocketed from under 50 in 1900 to almost 80 years old today, and many individuals wonder if there's anything they can do to control longevity.
It's everyone's fondest desire that they can influence their own destiny, and not that they would necessarily succeed, but they could at least try. That being said, some things that you're born with affect the way you are and the way you age. Equally, environmental factors are very important in aging. And there's no question that staying out in the sun all the time makes your skin age markedly more rapidly. And you'll take a look at two people, and one may have been out in the sun a lot more than the other, and you'll see the changes in their skin. Some people age more rapidly due to other environmental aspects, such as diet or injuries or other exposures beyond sun. So there's a variety of environmental factors and genetic factors that together lead to the aging process being different in each individual. Most of us believe that the advances in control over high blood pressure and heart disease and kidney disease are clearly life-prolonging. So there's no question that medical advances contribute, but also these lifestyle changes have made a big difference.
Genetics, as well as an active lifestyle, are part of the reason for the long and productive years of teacher and author Belle Kaufman, who is 101, and author and Holocaust survivor Ernst Michel, who is 89.
I know many people who are younger than I am, who are not the same shape I am, and I feel sorry for them. And I try to encourage them. Look, I'm a job, I go to the office every day from 10 o'clock to 5 o'clock. I do a lot of public speaking, and I enjoy doing it. I used to, when I speak extemporaneously, I knew what I was going to say. I can't do that anymore. So now I have paper, and I look at the paper, and either I read it or I look at it and know then what to say, So you make adjustments in your ability to overcome, and I hope to continue as long as I can.
I knew a woman who was my age, who's no longer living, who used to call me when her husband died. I'm so bored. Most of my friends are gone. I have nothing to do. I'm so bored. How dare she be bored? She's alive. She can hear, she can see. How dare she be bored? It's so remarkable to live. I feel that passionately.
And while medical and scientific advances are helping us all to live longer, Dr. Honig says sometimes it's the simple things that may be easier to fix.
Boredom isn't good. Depression isn't good. I think we would all say that in general, most people staying active is it makes them happier. Whether staying active truly wards off disease is less clear, although certainly staying active might prevent weight gain, for example, which is good. And staying mentally active, as we talked about earlier, is leaves you in a better position regardless of whether you're destined to get a disease or not.
New York State has the 4th oldest life expectancy rate in the nation. And while chances of discovering a magic pill to ward off all the effects of aging are slim, scientists do believe that ongoing research will eventually lead to having a longer and healthier life. I'm Tinabeth for Science and You.